Hey y'all, it's your girl Jen. We are back with another video. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. Sorry, I am in the car, y'all, but happy Vlogmas. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey boy, hey, welcome to the party. And if you're returning subby, you know what the vibes is, period. So by the title of this video, y'all can see this is a get my nails done holiday edition, y'all. We are headed to the nail shop. I am just now getting off of work. I'm waiting for this car to back out. So, oh, they're going a different way. So I am just now leaving work. We are headed to the nail shop. I'm about 20 minutes away, so it looks like I'll be on time for my appointment. And I haven't even really decided like how I want to get my nails. I think I'm like 90% sure I'm probably just going to do French tip on my nails and my toes. It's just, I was thinking about getting red for like the holidays, but the holidays are pretty much almost over. Like, and I don't really feel like having red nails when the holidays are over. It's kind of like, eh. So I figure if I just did white tip on my nails and toes, like I'll be cool at least until I get my nails done again. So that's what your girl is thinking. But y'all know, before we get into the video and do all of that good stuff, please make sure you guys like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to your girl. Let's grow the fam, y'all. We growing and growing and growing, and I love and appreciate each and every one of y'all. I can't believe Christmas is like literally days away here. We are counting down these days, y'all. So we're headed to the nail shop. I need to make a phone call, which I need to do right now. So I need to make a phone call and stuff, but I will see y'all at the nail shop. I forgot to like show y'all my nails. Look at my nails right now, y'all. They are all jacked up. This one just broke a few days ago, but I need a fill. I am overdue for a fill, y'all. The shape is all gone. So I think I'm gonna go super shorter and then just do the French tip, because I'm like, my nails grew. That's why I hate getting like a color on my nails, because I just do not like, I do not like that at all. I don't like that at all, how it just grows out like that. And then it's easy to break. Like sometimes I'll be on my long nail hype, but then sometimes I like my short nails, like Jada Wada. I am kind of thinking, do I want white nails? I don't even know, y'all. I don't even know. And then y'all, tomorrow I may have a date, so we don't know. Like, I'm not trusting none of these men. I'm gonna just say that and use that word loosely, but I'm not putting nothing past these men. But if I do end up going on a date tomorrow, that will be another vlog for Vlogmas and another story time, and I'll explain to y'all how that all transpires and how that goes down. So keep your fingers crossed that shit goes right, you know, and just, that's just that on that. But dating is ghetto. That's all I can say. But all right, y'all, I'm like literally stuck in traffic. It looks like I'm gonna get to the nail shop like 4 minutes before my appointment. So sorry, I just wanted to come on and show y'all my nails, because I just been looking at them the past few days like, ugh. And then I have acrylic on my feet, and then one of my nails like chipped off. It's just like, raggedy. It's so not like me. But you know, in the wintertime, you can kind of hide the situation. Hide the situation in the wintertime. But see y'all at the nail shop, y'all. I'm about to vibe out to some music and check my emails, and I'll see y'all at the nail shop.
here.
Hey y'all, so I'm finally in the car. I'm back in here after spending damn near almost 3 hours at the damn nail shop, y'all. But I ended up getting French tip. I don't even know if y'all can see, but I got French tip. I don't know if y'all can even see or not, because it's hella dark now. But yeah, your girl got French tip. Sorry if you can't see. And I got, oh, there you go. I got French tip on my nails and my toes. Y'all, I was in there so freaking long. Like, my appointment was at 4:30. It is 7 o'clock. Like, what? I don't get why the nail shops always are like, just slow, take hella long. I don't know. It's hella irritating, but I love my nails. I ended up getting short nails. Follow me, camera. Follow me. I ended up getting just short, so they're super cute. My toes and my feet feel so soft. Everything is just, oh gosh, this guy is like speeding. But anyway, they're so soft, and yes, I just love my nails, but I get so irritated. I hate literally coming to the nail shop because of that situation. Like, it just takes forever, y'all. It literally takes forever. I don't know why. It's like, it's so hard being a girl. Like, you have so much like upkeep to do, your hair, your nails, this, that. It's just like always so much. Just always so much. But anyway, so I need to go home. I still need to freaking film a video. Well, not a video. Well, it is a video, but it's an OOTD for my 31 Days of Slay. So I need to film that. And now I'm, for whatever reason, I've gotten behind on my looks. And so I should have probably filmed something yesterday, but I did not. So I'll have to film something. I mean, I posted today, but I need to film something when I get home to post tomorrow. And then hopefully, if I go out tomorrow, I can make a, film and get a couple days ahead. Because your girl is like, I just do not like when I'm, like, I already told y'all, I think, like, when I'm doing Vlogmas, I do not like to be, like, day for day of filming. So typically in the month of December, I'm always doing Vlogmas and, like, outfits for the month of December and all of that. And I don't like to film day for day. I like to have 3, 4, 5 days ahead. So that way I can procrastinate a little bit. I mean, not to say procrastinate, but pretty much, yeah, like, so I can hold off and I don't have to literally film every day. Like, I can maybe film every other day. So yeah, for whatever reason, I've gotten behind. So now I literally have nothing to post tomorrow for my outfit. So I need to do that. I mean, if I'm lucky, I may be able to get like 2 in today. But that's all pretty much when I get home. I'm just gonna film that and literally probably take a shower and get in the bed, y'all. Because what? I don't know how this day just freaking passed me by. But yes, sorry this is a short vlog. This literally was just a maintenance day with holiday nails. And I ended up getting French tip because I guess I think I told y'all, like, I just didn't want to have, like, I probably won't get my nails done again until January. And I didn't want to have like red or green nails in January, like after the holidays and stuff. Like, I just want to be normal. Like, I'm not trying to have no colored nails. So I ended up getting French tip and I love them. I just love, it's just a very classic and classy nail, just to have like French tip. I don't know, it just gives me classy vibes, and y'all know that's the type of time we on, y'all. But anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll try to get a better video. When I get home and in the light, I'll show y'all a better video of my nails and stuff because you can't even see it in the car. So I'll talk to y'all once I get home, y'all. Okay, y'all, your girl just made it home. Yeah, I'm literally in another outfit because I just did. I was telling y'all in the car I had to do an OOTD, so I literally just came home, changed, and got right into it because I didn't even want to think about how tired I am. But I just wanted to get on to show y'all my nails. These are like, she does my shape so great, y'all. I just love my shape. So these are the nailies. We just have to do it up for the one time, and then y'all want to see a sneak peek, y'all. Your girl needs to do some sit-ups, but this is the little OOTD I threw on. Isn't this blazer super cute? This is from Target, one of their old, sorry, I'm talking without y'all seeing me. One of their old Future Collective collabs, but this blazer, I've never even worn it before. It still has the dang tag on it. So, yeah. But, yeah, so I'm home, y'all. I'm hungry. I'm about to grab me a little something to eat and relax and lay down. Like, I'm lucky and I'm happy that at the nail shop I did record or I edited a video to post tomorrow for Vlogmas, so that's done. So I literally can just relax, take a shower, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. But I just wanted to get back on and show y'all my Nellies. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before we leave. I love and appreciate every one of you guys. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.